loud. And then let's check if it's landscape position. Oh, still charging, so that's nice. While watching, you can do it sideways or landscape position or Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of this IQ Wave speaker and charger. This is a Qi wireless charger, and the features are this have a 360 sound, 360 degrees, and 10-watt premium sound and bass, and 15-watt Qi wireless charger for Android, and 7.5 MagSafe wireless charger for Apple iPhone devices, and the Bluetooth is 5.1 technology. So let's open this. Let's see what's inside. Oops. This one will be, for sure I will be using this for camping, because we always play music while camping. So inside they have this, wow, charger. Okay. I think this is not charger, this is a power supply. This is not, yeah, I think this is not wireless. Plus the cable, USB-A to USB-C. Open it. Alright, nice. This is a magnetic Qi wireless charger, and this have this power button, plus a volume, plus pause. And then what else? Let's try it. I'll get my power bank for now and see how this one works. Here, I got my power bank, and let's put it this way. Let's see if this one will work. What's this? Yeah, it's working. Nice. Then I will just use my note for now. Yeah, it's charging. So yeah, it's fast wireless charging. Let's try to connect it. Let's see the pair. So turn on the speaker and search for IQWSH. Let's see, IQ. Scan. And it's flashing here. There you go. And now it's pairing. And yeah, let's wait. Okay, let's pair it. Now it's paired. Let's try to play something here to test the speaker. Okay. Nice. The volume can be controlled here through your phone or through this button here. So, okay. Let's check if it's landscape position. Oh, still charging, so that's nice. While watching, you can do it sideways or landscape position or orientation. Yeah, this is a good speaker for a free one. This is free when I got my
S25 Ultra from Costco.
that's their promo, but it's not written in their ads. They will just give it to you, and or just ask if they have a free speaker if you're going to buy one from Costco. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.